Today's video, I'm going to show you guys the finished product of the sawmill been put back together. Now, long and short end of it is taking the two 20-foot pieces of angle iron, drilling all the holes, putting all the bunks in from the old sawmill, and the old sawmill track I should say, putting all the bunks in, putting the log clamp in, then just laying it over top of the studs, drilling the holes, dropping it onto the studs, and leveling it out, and then just showing you what it looks like when it's done. I'm not going to bore you guys with all the video of me drilling all these holes. Basically, you get the idea. I just laid this track out here alongside of where the concrete posts are, measured out the distance I needed, put these bunks on, marked them, drilled them, and bolted them together. And once I got the bunks bolted all together, I just drilled the holes where the studs are for the whole track to fit down onto the concrete anchors. Here we go, the sawmill's all set up, ready to go. Now I got this track laid out, drilled all the holes, put all these bunks back in here, got my log clamps put in, drilled those holes in the side, and it's all anchored to all these concrete sonotubes. So now there's no movement in it. And you can see it's dead nuts level in every direction. I don't know if you can see that or not, but perfectly level, no seams in it. Ready to roll. Now I think my total length I measured from the saw out here to the end, I have 17 foot and a couple of inches that I can cut. So now the saw is ready to go. How smooth this thing rides. When I stop pushing, it doesn't keep drifting, or it just goes along nice. Now I'm just going to give this a couple days for this concrete to cure and harden, and then it'll be time to cut. And I'll tell you what, I'll give you a little bit of a better view of some of these logs too while I'm here. I think roughly the biggest one I got here is 22 inches, I think. That one there's a big oak there, or a big ash rather. A lot of ash, some oak. A little bit of everything here. Now these ones here are the biggest ones I got. Is this one here and that one there. That's a maple, and that's a cherry. So I know those ones will fit. They're close to the 24 mark, but they'll fit in the saw. There's another cherry. Got a little bit of a soft spot in the middle of it, but I still think I get a lot of good boards out of that. And that's where I'm at. So pretty soon here I'm going to have some more videos on cutting. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys.